T-minus 10, 9, 8, ignition, liftoff.
All right, y'all, your assignment this lesson is just to start playing around with some of the effects that are in Premiere Pro. Feel free to start thinking about which effects might work well for your storytelling video or to start adding some, but I want you to keep in mind that you better not be adding effects unless you have a good reason to. You want me to see an effect in your video and think, dang, like that effect was perfect there. That made this concept click for me, or it really made me get all up in my feelings, right? And so make sure the effects you add support your story. And I would hold off on fine-tuning and perfecting those effects too much, because in the next lessons, we're gonna be covering animation and titles and graphics, and all of that integrates into this effects lesson. And so you might wanna hold off on trying to perfect things too much, because you're about to learn a whole lot more in the upcoming lessons. So I'll see you there. Bye, y'all.